Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. His name is Ryan. He is a nerd on call, and we called him. We want to hook up our home, viewing station.
Yeah, when most people think about home theater, they're thinking like, oh, I'll get a big old TV and I'll get some nice speakers, and the problem is they don't think about some of the details. So first things first, okay, you get a TV, Blu-ray player, receiver maybe for your stereo, an Xbox, a PlayStation, whatever. And you've got 6 remotes all laid out on your thing, and then your wife says, hey, turn on the TV, and you're like, hold on. No. So this solves all of that. So this is called the Harmony Elite. It's a little pricey. It's $350, but it will save your life. And the reason why is because, when you were like, okay, well, I'm going to watch the Xbox for a little while and play some games. And then, but This Is Us is coming on, so I got to switch over for the wife so she can cry for an hour. And when you do that, you've got to go, well, what do I do? HDMI 2? Which one is the stereo? How do I? You literally press one single button when you say, oh, hold on, get rid of that here. You can press one button that says watch TV. It turns everything on exactly to the channel you want it on. As soon as you press volume, you don't have to switch inputs. You can just press volume and it'll turn it up on the stereo. So it works really great. It's one step. And you can also pair it with your phone. So if you don't want to use this, you just want to use your phone, or you just want to play a trick on your wife while she's working out, you can turn off the TV using your phone in the other room. That's kind of fun.
That's kind of mean.
So let's talk lighting, right? So when you think about home theater, you're like, oh, well, I can just dim the lights or maybe turn them off. But with a Philips Hue, you can also set the environment. This is a $90 starter kit, and it comes with a little bridge, and it works with your wireless network. So you could literally tell, your Alexa, hey, Alexa, it's movie time, and she can turn the lights to a certain color or in a certain level, all automatically. And it's really great. Plus, they save you energy because you can set them up to do what do you call occupancy. So let's say you go away, you can set them up on a timer so they can turn on and turn off. But you can also save energy because if you're not in a room, you can just have it automatically turn off with a sensor.
Ooh.
How cool is that?
I like that.
So this is the Sonos One. This is Alexa enabled, and this is really cool because if you've never heard a Sonos speaker before, they are amazing. This is about $200, but you can pair this with something like a Sonos Playbar, and the Sonos Playbar is $699, but if you've never heard Sonos before, you need to go to some sort of electronic store somewhere and listen to it. It is amazing quality. This is a 3.1 channel system where you have a center speaker and 2 side speakers. You pair that with the 2 satellite speakers on the sides, you can get a little pricey at $1,700, but these are totally wireless. So you don't have wires under your couch and in your walls and all over the place. You literally can take this, mount that to right behind your couch, like on a wall, and you're done. You don't have all these wires hanging down or all this other crazy stuff.
Ooh,
how cool is that?
I kind of like that.
So
it's a little pricey, but I kind of like it.
Then last but not least, if you don't buy a Sonos with Alexa enabled, you can just get an Echo Dot, and that can speak to your Harmony remote, it can speak to your Philips Hue, and you could literally just say, hey, it's Alexa, it's movie time, and she can turn on the TV, put it on Netflix, dim the lights down, and you're ready for Netflix and
some
chill.
Buck Rogers stuff right there, man. Buck Rogers. Buck Rogers. Thanks, man. It's good to see you. Appreciate that.
It's great to see you.
There you go. Hook up your home theater. Back to you guys.
All right. Thanks, guys. Well, enjoy.